My name is Yuki from Pixelhue, and today I'm going to introduce our the new product we call EP4 Pro, and the P80. This is the video switchers, and the X400G one. This is the media servers here. And for the EP4 Pro, this is for the fiber extender, and they got a different version, EP4 and EP4 Pro. And EP4 is using for HDMI as input or output, and OPT with the outputs or inputs. Yeah, this is the OPT fiber solutions here. And with the Pro, they got a new track port, and they got different front panel to show all the state about the signal. Yeah. And with the P80, yeah, this is our presentation switchers, and it got like a massive, which means the 20 maximum input and 8 4K outputs as well. Yeah, and it can be used for large and medium-sized shows here. And this is for the media servers X400G one. And this is massive media servers. You can directly connect with the switchers, with the consoles to finish the show. It's really convenient. It's really powerful. Yeah. And welcome to InfoComm. And happy to visit our website, pixelhue.com. Yeah.